Good morning, guys. Hello, everyone. How are you, everyone? How are you guys? I won't say long time no see, but yeah, long time no see. Hey, guys. Hello, everyone. What I used to have here? Oh, okay. Must be here. Okay, my mistake. How are you guys? Happy Tuesday, everyone. FOMC tomorrow. We're still waiting for FOMC. Good morning, good morning. We're gonna talk about bias just in a moment, like no reason to talk like right now, simply because people will join and I need to repeat this over and over again. Let's wait for people to come to join and then we will talk about the bias, potential setups, and so on. Hello guys. Hey Daniel, how are you? You took one trade and it was lost? It's okay. We will try to recover this. Hey guys. Yeah. They put crown yesterday. They was trying. I had like 4 cavities, I guess. Yeah, 4 of them. Damn, it was so painful. My face was like that yesterday. Like lots of bees bite me. Yeah, and 1 crown here. Was hard to eat. Was hard to do anything. It's fine. FMC tomorrow, so I don't mind to sell over, but you know, like since FMC tomorrow, I was thinking maybe this will happen tomorrow. I'm looking for like, yeah, move to downside. It left major low. Major drawn liquidity still remains lower. Yeah, that was painful. I really did my best because I was about to cry yesterday because damn, it was so painful, but I was like, Dasha, it's okay. It's okay, Dasha, it's fine. So yeah. Yeah, let's talk about the bias. As you can see, I don't have levels. Let's see what we have. But yeah, I like quickly check chart this morning. I was like, kind of want to see lower. I look fine. Yeah, it's better like now. A bit painful on this side, but it's like fine. Okay, guys, let's see what I have because once again, I didn't check levels today. Why this drop happened like yesterday? I want to see this drop like during PM session, but it's fine. Not a problem at all. So first I would like to check SPX and I'm going to show you like right after this. SPX yesterday left major liquidity levels lower. Just keep this in mind. They trying to build liquidity. For what? We have FOMC tomorrow. We have Thursday red folder news. So it's trying to build liquidity. Logically, if it's trying to build liquidity, they may leave these lows for tomorrow, like maybe Thursday. Because once again, we anticipate to get, I would say, Wednesday reversal profile or consolidation Thursday reversal profile. So I don't really want to see Tuesday forms high or low the week, which means today either gonna be like a bit choppy or it will move higher a little bit. But guys, I would like to tell you, I'm looking for lower overall. It left major liquidity levels lower, but logically thinking like, does it make any sense to take these levels today? Good morning, guys. Good morning, Sean. Good morning, Barbara. So yeah, I didn't see you joined. So logically thinking, like I would probably try to pump today to drop hard either tomorrow or okay, maybe on Thursday. But yeah, let's see. Maybe we're gonna get some validations for shorts today. Once again, we are flexible with bias. But yeah, I want to see like 40, maybe like 50 points lower. But once again, logically thinking, we need to pump today. From what I see so far, price keep dancing near 50% of monthly wick. Remember, we talked about this target last week, which is 74.18. If you go on monthly chart, you will see like we have long wick, and we want to highlight this, use this wick as potential drawn liquidity. Lower wick, obviously. So 50% still respected. And look at NQ. Look, I'm gonna hide this indicator for now. Let me clean a little bit. Look how it's trying to build liquidity here. See? Major low remains here at 27,825. Like, damn, we need to take this level so bad. We have equal lows here. So, guys, obviously, I want to see lower, but once again, probably I don't really want to see this during like AM session or even today. I want to see a huge drop tomorrow on Thursday. Once again, I just trying to see, okay, if major levels will be taken today, like what will happen like next 2 days? That's strange, right? You said 75. Let me see what I have there. That's a lot. That's a lot. No, that's a lot. Let's see where's PX trading now. 74.23. You have such a small gap. But let's try to find conservative level where we can bounce. Today we're gonna measure Monday move. Just let's highlight OT of this range. So definitely we can bounce today, and I don't mind to get like move higher. So maybe, guys, I will try to long as long as we're holding above New York midnight open on both ES and NQ. So definitely we can get retest of New York midnight open. I'm gonna bring my drawings back. But once we break above New York midnight open on NQ and we'll stay above this level on ES, probably we will try to long. Let me show you, Sean, 1 second. This one, see? Long wicks. We're interested in long wicks. Because I'm like with 101% confidence can say we will drop lower. Hey, Michael, how are you? Michael, what do you think about SPX to bounce to 74.50 today? 74.40? Hey, Chris, how are you? Yes, perfect. Then I love it. I love when we have same targets. Yeah, once again, my drawn liquidity remains lower, but I want to see a bit higher today first. 74.43. Let me see where we're trading now. Oh, 74 on SPX, right? We're talking about SPX, right? I like it. Okay, guys. Yeah, perfect. We have same levels. I love it. Next, guys, if you go on my website, click Learn section, I posted new lesson. So right now we have 2 lessons. It's about SPX, which I, guys, highly recommend to read. Don't skip this. You will say, thank you, Dasha. I wish I found this like early, but it's fine. It's fine. I wish I found this sooner, but guys, everything for you. Go to funded.now/lessons and read the lesson about SPX because we trade this a lot. I want to see like we are on the same page. So when I talk about SPX, you understand what I'm talking about. So read the lesson, take notes, please. Okay. And second lesson is about fair value gap. And like, I know it seems like dumb, fair value gap, such an easy topic. Like why you talk about SPX, not SPX, fair value gap. But yeah, I decided to create a post about fair value gap because lots of people keep asking about this. So just basic introduction. I did not provide any models. It will be upcoming lessons how to build your model using different approaches. But here's your introduction, how fair value gap looks. What is basically a CB, right? Because lots of people don't understand this. 3 types of retest of fair value gap, right? Institutional order flow integral, 50% in fair value gap fill. And breakaway gap with measuring gap. Millions questions about what is breakaway gap, what is measuring gap. So I decided to share my personal approach, how to find breakaway gap. We work with breakaway gaps a lot on streams, and lots of people keep asking, like, Dasha, how did you know it's gonna be a breakaway gap? Why you decided to put your stop loss at bottom of bearish fair value gap? Why you were so confident in this? I'm gonna share link. 1 second. Measuring gap, also interesting topic. So I a little bit modified this because ICT did not explain measuring gap as I explained this. He did this in a bit probably easier way, but I provided some options, which you also can consider as measuring gap, in my opinion. So different types of measuring gap, projections, inversion fair value gap, with some conditions here. BPR, balanced price range. And here I decided to spend more time explaining BPR idea because BPR is the most strongest PDR in my opinion. And in other words, BPR is a double fair value gap if you want to call this like that. So guys, I'm gonna send link in the chat. Once again, it costs $0, 0 cents. Lots of people sell courses with this information, but here I provided unique information, once again, all in one place, with really like beginner-friendly language. So no questions after reading each lessons, because I just trying to imagine like, okay, if I want to explain this to like 5 years old son, my son, how I want to do this in this kind of simple way, right? Try to keep this simple. Yes, BPR. So BPR is not your entry point. BPR can be confirmation of smart money reversal. But once again, yes, it's nice. But guys, who can help me and say what conditions do we need to have to say, here's potential smart money reversal? 3 conditions, who knows? Let's repeat this because we talk about this a lot. 3 conditions for smart money reversal. Let's count together. Come on. Guys. You know, 3 conditions, please. High time frame level, not only liquidity sweep, guys. It can be high time frame fair value gap as well, right? Not only liquidity. No. It can be liquidity, but high time frame level. Okay, let's call this high time frame level because liquidity, order block, fair value gap, and millions other PDRs can be our high time frame level. Second, lower time frame market structure shift. And third one, lower time frame change in the state of delivery. Once we have these conditions, so yes, we can start talking about smart money reversal. But when we have BPR with this, it's really strong confirmation. We cannot blindly trust every single BPR at the random range, right? At the middle of nowhere. You cannot trade from the middle of nowhere. And remember, everything, we cannot reverse from nowhere. If it wants to go up, we need to sweep something like lower discount array, liquidity level, order block, whatever. If it wants to go down, we need to, something must happen with buy side liquidity or premium array, right? Makes sense, right? So BPR, we don't blindly trust every single BPR, right? Not at an inversion fair value gap, BPR. We trust only once we got confirmation of smart money reversal, okay? Makes sense, right? So guys, read lesson. If you have any questions, ask. But once again, it's basic introduction. So I will talk in my upcoming lessons about how to build a model using like inversion fair value gap, even BPR. So we will talk about this in the future. Here's just introduction for you to understand like what is fair value gap, what is a breakaway gap, what is a measuring gap, okay? What I want to say, tomorrow we'll post a lesson about change in the state of delivery. The most common question, how to find change in the state of delivery, guys. Also with like super easy language. What is order block? Because change in the state of delivery creates real OB. You can tell me like change in the state of delivery can be fair value gap. Any PDR, for me it's BS. Because change in the state of delivery creates real order block, which order block can act as supply and demand areas and so on. So when people say change in the state of delivery for a value gap or any other PDR but not OB, it's BS, in my opinion. I will attach PDF format. So I didn't make PDF yet for this one. So our idea today on ES and NQ. Sorry, guys. As long as we're holding above New York midnight open, we will try to long. Daily open, D open means daily open, M open means monthly open, W open means weekly open. What, like, MMXM, you will not believe me, go on X and see. Big accounts keep saying, like, fair value gap can be changed in the state of delivery. I was like, no way. How fair value gap can confirm change in the state of delivery? Like, no F way. New York midnight open is, why don't I have price level here? On ES, it's gonna be 74.40.50. On NQ, it's gonna be, 28,000 off. I'm gonna name for you. So New York midnight open is use this level, okay? I just use abbreviations to keep chart clean. Here's your New York midnight open levels. Oh, millions D. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna read this. ES hit new week opening gap 50% level. How about to the swing? So shorts. I don't know about shorts yet. Hello, guys. I'm thinking about this. Let's think about if it's gonna be strong break below New York midnight open, we can start talking about shorts. I don't want to talk about shorts yet. I kind of think we need to pump first. Today, FOMC tomorrow. Let me check news 1 second, guys. I don't remember which news we're gonna have on Thursday. 1 second. Oops, sorry, guys. We don't have news on Thursday, right? FOMC only. Okay. FOMC tomorrow, which makes me feel like, I don't know, like we cannot drop today. Because I don't want to see Tuesday forms low or high of the week. From what I see, logically, once again, just logic, nothing else. Wednesday or Thursday, no, okay, not Thursday. Wednesday must create high or low of the week. Hello. Dentist appointment done. Don't even ask. I really was about to cry yesterday because of the damn pain. It was such a painful experience. But right now, you know, like, I had appointment like 2 weeks ago, and they were working on this side. I wasn't able to eat for 2 weeks on this side, like at all, guys. I only was using this left side to eat. But like yesterday, for the first time, for the last 2 weeks, I was able to eat on both sides. It was like, damn, such a nice experience. So for targets, guys, we're gonna open like somewhere here. In case we're gonna get longs today, this means price must stay above New York midnight open. We will try to aim for weekly open. So basically top of new week opening gap and 7,500 as psychological level. But once again, as you can see, NQ is still trading below New York midnight open. If it will decide to stay below this level, and let's just imagine. Yes, also broke below New York midnight open with big displacement. So unfortunately or fortunately for us, we will drop lower. Why unfortunately? Because we want to see this tomorrow. Targets will be here. Previous weekly low level and flat candle. So it's old previous weekly low level. It's like weekly candle. So I had in Boca. So I was driving to Delray Beach. Don't remember the name. It's not bad. I mean, in Delray Beach, it's like 10 minutes away from me, so not bad. Like, you know, lots of dentists. So like, but doctor, Okay, I'm gonna take screenshot just in the future, but thank you for letting me know. $26 hours? Oh, damn, that's a lot. I'm doing great. How are you? Well, guys, you got my bias. Let's try to compare. What is your bias? I have twin sister. Yes, she's single. I like daily open, monthly open. I use indicator. I'm gonna post in the chat now. Free indicator, by the way. This one. I like this indicator, but because it also has source code, so we can modify this. Stock futures. So unfortunately, like almost zero volume there now. So it's just clearly impossible to trade. It's huge spread. So you're just gonna lose money because of spread. So we need to wait to trade a stock futures. No volume at all. Like at all, guys. When I mean at all, this means at all. How about rejection from new week opening gap? So I don't mind to see the test like top of new week opening gap on ES. As you can see, SPX failed to take major low over here at 73.81.64. So technically, what makes sense, maybe we'll retrace to premium. That's exactly what I want to see for our targets. Then rejection again. I don't know. As long as above New York midnight open, I don't want to talk about shorts. Right now, it bit not in sync because NQ trading below this level, while yes, broke above this level. Like just no volume to trade stock futures. Like really no volume. It needs to adapt. So let's wait for maybe like a month or so. Hey Barbara, how are you? You still in your country? We're already on US. Just asking. This OT is just classic OT, yeah? From here to here, like just entire range OT, like normal OT, golden pocket. In Japan. Oh, nice. How is the weather there? Oh. So guys, let's see market. Oh, it's not opened, but I see lots of volatility. Oh, it's like in Florida, right? So once again, let's try to just see in React today, because like we can be bullish, but everything can change once ES breaks New York midnight open. Good morning. How are you? ICT 2023 trader. Like, imagine I have no idea what is your real name. What is your real name? I cannot call you ICT 2023 trader. Like, give me your real name. I need to know that. So I can talk with you. Good morning. I believe you cannot find this yet, yeah. Right, Daniel? Oh, yeah, I know. Opening range gap, like new day opening gap, RDH gap. So yeah, of course. Lots of different names, which is like interesting. Goatman. No, I need to know his real name so I can talk with him. Maxim, I know why you said this. Because I know you so well. Boiled corn. I love it. I remember when I was a kid. It's funny, like just interesting, like flashbacks. We were boiling our corn for like 2-3 hours. Right now, you can go to store and buy corn and boil this like for 10 minutes. Like, what is going on? Excuse me? Hey guys, hello. For 2-3 hours, yes, Sean. People who like was born in USSR, or like around like 1999, like 2000, they understand me. Especially like Slavic people, they understand me. What is going on, guys? Oh, yeah. Okay, makes sense. What kind of volatility we have? What's going on? You can confirm, right? That's funny. Okay, let me open financial news. I believe Trump said something. What time is this now? Nothing yet. I kind of, as long as we're above New York midnight open on ES, I cannot talk about shorts. I do trade gold, maybe not that often now. It used to be a lot, but not that often now. Indices treat me well, so I see setups every single day there. Yeah, sure, it's valid. Good morning, everyone. Okay, market is gonna open in just less than 1 minute. Gold trading inside high from consolidation. You know, guys, absolutely not a fan of seeing like when we're trading inside high from consolidation. Usually I try to avoid trading high from consolidation because I obviously don't really have like good targets. Once again, of course, we can like trade from upper quadrant to lower quadrant, or from upper quadrant to equilibrium, from equilibrium to lower quadrant, and from lower quadrant to equilibrium, and so on. But I don't know, guys. Overall, not fun. Oh yeah, from close of candle at 4:15, I believe, to open at 9:30 a.m. Yeah, sure. Well, market is open, guys. We're still trading below New York midnight open on NQ, but trading above this level on ES. So I can call this like as decoupled market. So let's see if ES wants to retest New York midnight open, then we will see what we want to do. If it's gonna be strong break below this level, so we anticipate to get pre-market low, which is London low so far. If it's gonna be just retest and break above this level again, so maybe we're gonna get nice reaction to upside again. So no, guys, I did not trade Asia because I'm working on new lessons on my website. So I spent my every single evening, like writing lessons for you guys. So I cannot trade simply because I'm focused on lessons. Nice. Look how you fill this gap immediately. Completely fill this gap. But we're still gonna use this one. Wow, nice. I mean, we made money yesterday. Not reason to like, I mean, there's reason to make more money, but I was satisfied with yesterday price action. So idea behind behind SPX will be probably break above OT if we want to long. I'm just thinking about potential long setups today if it's gonna happen. Hard to say. Don't like when we fill gap completely immediately at the open, like immediately. But yeah, we can try to anticipate potential reaction from here only. So this means we're not going to be first buyers, which is like probably okay. We got retest of New York midnight open. Okay, guys, hit the like button. We must kill this today. Don't forget to share the stream and subscribe. So far we got an attempt to break New York, but net open still kind of struggling. No, we only going to long above, yes, OT. Not now, but we can anticipate quick scalp. Maybe it's gonna be not hard scalp for like 15, maybe 20 points. I'm not looking for shorts just yet. No, not yet. To aim for buy side, and 50% of yesterday moved down. Yes, above 70.5% using 2-minute setup. And that's it. So we're not going to be first buyers. We're going to trade continuation if it's going to be reversal. Right now, chopping. 34, we will see. So Intuit really trying to take London low and this major low. Once again, I'm bearish overall for this week. I want to see it drop and lower. But logically, I didn't want to see this today. But if it's gonna offer SMT, maybe it's fine. We will accept this. Maybe it will offer nice scalp long soon. Let's hope. On SPX, I don't want to short yet. 28,000, like you're trading RTY? London low on NQ. We will see. I kind of, I don't know, question this for now. Range not big, which is good. So what I'm waiting for, I'm waiting how we're gonna close above or below New York midnight open. I was scalping yesterday PM session as well. Got like 30 or 40 points. Yes, really trying to stay bullish, while in Q, no, it's trying to drop. Wild. Kind of decoupled market, I'm not fun. I'm gonna watch how we're gonna close on 5 years above or below New York midnight open. Thank you, guys, thank you. It doesn't look like nice. 1 second, guys. Second diaphragms. Yeah, better. Sorry, guys. Now you can see entire phrase. Not yet. Not yet. It's important to see how we're gonna close with New York midnight open. Patience, wait. Right, market just opened. Don't be in rush. Yes, we got nice break above 70.5%, but ES, what is ES is doing now? Nothing. Wait, keep waiting. Oh, look at NQ, took major low. I cannot say like we got strong break below New York midnight open, as well as I cannot say we got reaction from New York midnight open. Relax, guys, keep waiting. Right now, nothing worth it. Yet. Yeah, guys, we need to be in sync, at least a little bit. Okay. Let's check stock segment here. Apple is, I cannot say like it's super bullish. Nvidia not super bearish, like so pretty much break even. Like nothing. Google, Meta, Microsoft, nothing. So pretty much nothing is going on like in stock segment, right? Like nothing, flat. Damn, it's kind of cold. Yes. Why I call my 27,825 as major low? Because of monthly sweep. Oops. Sweep moved towards the opposite liquidity level. Yes, super strong now with bullish trend, with attempt to be bullish. We will keep dropping 110% we will keep dropping. That's my idea, to see like Wednesday or Thursday like move down, like big move down. But since FOMC tomorrow, I kind of expect to get, I don't know, some sort of manipulation up today. Brr, kind of cold. Hey guys. Major low, my major drawn liquidity on ES is, damn, that's lots of points lower, 200 points lower, but at least 7,400. Preferably 7,300. But for today, once again, I don't mind to get some sort of manipulation. My stream is lagging today? No way. Like, guys, seriously? Thank you, guys. Thank you. Lots of mosquitoes in Florida. I believe I have delay, maybe like 1-2 seconds. Like, okay, maybe 2-3 seconds delay because of YouTube. But Some people saying like I have huge delay. Like, no way I have huge delay. I'm trying to keep delay like maybe like 2-3 seconds. It's like maximum. Yeah, sometimes when your internet is slow, sometimes this happens. It's lagging or shows big delay. Yeah, so far we just kind of stuck at New York midnight open. Cannot really break below this level. Cannot really break above this level. Just kind of trying to offer like better setup here, but still trying. So cannot confirm this yet. So I would say yes, keep fighting right now for for this move up. All right. 74.28. 74.28. It's for SPX, right? Okay, got it. Higher low, higher low, higher low. You know, I can actually see potential long if it's gonna offer higher low like soon again. If so, we might try this one. But once again, I'm not going to fight this trend. If it's really gonna be a strong break below New York midnight open, I will stay away from longs. Just gonna wait. Nothing is going on so far. I'm gonna check daily chart. Okay, all right. Let me open 5. Seems like it wants to take previous weekly low level. Do you have any drawn liquidity on NQ? No? Okay, let's try to figure this out. What we have on NQ. That's a problem, you know? Like, we drop like a lot today, which is... I know, like, what will happen the rest of the week then? I'm gonna change the color to extend and gray. We have monthly bullish will be... We're gonna drop like way more. Why don't have 1 second? What is going on? Excuse me? Excuse me? I'm not gonna extend this, but yes, it's gonna be area of my interest. This area. What about... So I'm looking for 27,000 at least on NQ in the near future. 700 points lower. Damn it. It's... What will happen tomorrow? Okay. Gonna highlight same monthly fair value gap. But once again, I'm not that interested in monthly fair value gap on ES. I'm more interested in this area on NQ. NQ is weak here. We're going to flat candle, 73.98. The question when? The question when? And SPX trying to approach major low. I'm bearish, guys. 100 millions % I'm bearish. The question when, where and when to enter this position. Okay, we will see. Gonna wait for silver bullet to trade, probably. SPX sees this major low at 73.81. I wasn't bullish before. I was bullish for IM session today simply because I anticipated to get manipulation higher first today. Before FOMC. But we broke below New York midnight open. Obviously, it's strong confirmation of continuation lower. Next stop on NQ 27,300. Just near stop. Okay, guys, let's see. Since it's trying to stay below New York midnight open, let's see what kind of confirmation we're gonna get for continuation lower. It's 9:46. All right. Gold moves. Man, you're not alone. You're not alone with this. Okay, that's 2-minute chart. I'm gonna leave this. Okay, keep dropping. Okay, it's fine. Like no FOMO, nothing presented here. Guys, so far in Apex, we took just one trade. You remember this, we took this together. My balance is like 50,800. We'll trade Apex today as well. Just need to wait for hyperbuild setup, okay? Not going to like chase, gonna just wait. So far, just one trade taken on Apex. We took this together. That's it. It was like $800 profit. Was it 800? I don't remember. I think so. SPX still did not take major low. Yesterday we got like 2 opportunities to enter the trade. Okay, keep waiting. Which is like perfectly fine. $27.17. It's like British standard deviation projection. Let's see. I don't like how we barely trade, how NQ barely traded above New York midnight open today. So definitely don't mind to get retest. Damn, these mosquitoes. Guys, I promised you to pass this challenge. Challenges 20 Apex evals on stream. We took only one trade. I don't hide everything from you. I can even show you balance. We took this together, one single trade. So we will continue trading Apex today. Oh yeah, by the way, I need to try to do this because like entire this leg and half of my left leg. One trade taken on Apex, we up like $800 on this, nothing else. So let's look for setup on Apex again. This 20 Apex evals only for streams, nothing else. Yeah. Is buy or sell nothing? Nothing now. Daniel, I need to move this. Daniel gonna have test today for his kindergarten. So I need to go at 12. Okay, trying to break above New York midnight open. Nice. But still fighting for its life. How long? There is no time. Like you can pass for 1 day, you can pass like for 30 days, you can pass for 2 days. It's up to you. When I really need to pass evals, I try to pass it quickly, like really need to pass. When I'm not in rush because I simply already have funded account with this prop firm, I don't take this slow. Like if it's hard setup, I'm gonna enter, gonna copy with my funded account. So the same risk, like if it's 50K, it's gonna be $250. So I'm not full porting this. Yeah, I'm waiting for 10 to trade. SPX playing absolutely stupid games so far. See how it failed to take major low, like, I don't know, millions times already. Like, are you kidding me? Excuse me? I got intraday 50K, no activation fee accounts. They were on sale, like $49 per account. So I paid like $1,000 for 20 accounts. And once I pass, I'm not gonna have activation fee. I mean, I want to pass this on Steam simply to show you like it's possible to pass evals. It's possible to trade this like with normal contract size without full portion, and it's possible to trade accounts with intraday trade and drawdown. Yes, 30 days. That's why we need to trade them today. Like 3, 4 more trades like we got last week. We're gonna pass this. Still below New York midnight open. It's so cold. Yes, and NQ still looks bearish to me. I don't know, like, Chris, it doesn't look bullish now. I may scalp short if if SPX will offer now this break. This short, I like it. If it's gonna be break below this level, I will try to short. Okay, let's see. If it's gonna offer break. Sorry, guys. Why it's so cold? Why it's so cold? Willing to try short soon. If it's gonna break this level on SPX, I will try. If not, I will not try. Simple. So waiting for 2-minute candle closure below. Not just break like we got here. Sweep, I don't care about sweep. If it's gonna be 2-minute candle closure, I will try. Or like huge displacement, I will try. Right? Alright. I'm not gonna be first buyer, as I said before. I will long above 70.5%. Because I'm pretty much annoyed right now how it failed to take major low. It will be our partial level, if in case we're gonna get this displacement now. To try short. Will not risk a lot, like $250 maybe. It's not valid yet. Don't be in a rush. If it's gonna displace now, I will quickly try to scalp this. Come on, just break. Don't be shy. And I will try to scalp short. Oh. Look how it's trying. A bit risky trade. Definitely maybe not gonna be easier. But I'm willing to try. Come on. I know you can do this. Looks good. Okay, one. How many seconds left? Okay. Then looks good here. Let me check the 3-minute chart real quick. We got the closure. Looks good. Let's see. I really want to try. Okay, let me think about this one more time. Okay. Let me check yes and real quick. London low taken. From one side, it looks good short. From other side, I don't know. Okay, let me think about this. Not in yet. I kind of question this for now. Because on a yes, I would pump a bit higher, to be honest. Just checking the yes chart. But we'll see. Give me some time. I'm thinking about this. It's like 50-50. But looks good. If it displays, I will try. Like really, I will try this displacement. So willing to risk here. Not super confident, but willing to try. Idea will be... I'm not super sure about like exact entry. But maybe this? This partial at previous weekly low level. A bit choppy here, but doesn't look bad. Okay, I don't know, like, probably gonna try. A bit risky, to be honest, but worth to try. Okay, let's try this not big risk. If I'm gonna be stopped, it's fine. I'm gonna try with not big risk. Because I really want to try. I do like how SPX is expecting level. If I'm wrong, let's wait for second opportunity, but I don't know, guys. Looks promising. Questionable, but also promising. Okay. Final TP, by the way, not right. I'm gonna adjust this. Final TP is not gonna be here, 100%. I just don't know where it's gonna be. It's gonna be somewhere here. Definitely not A+ setup. I know, guys, but I really want to give this a try. So I'm gonna take this risk. Just to see if I'm right. And so just accept the risk, guys. Accept the risk. It's 10. So technically, why I'm trying to take this short. See how it's playing with this major low on SPX. Oh, sorry, you cannot see. But I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. See? It was trying to take major low here. So this equals, I don't know, it looks kind of like we must take this. Same happened, sorry guys, same happened with previous weekly low level. So, I mean, definitely worth to try. Once again, not A+, but once again, I'm willing to risk here. We'll long above 70.5%, simple. But it will be kind of ridiculous. What's the point to take? I mean, there is a point actually, simply because FOMC tomorrow. But once again, I was willing to risk, so I'm okay to accept the risk here. Always can re-enter, you know? Always can flip the bias in case I see invalidation. So my long idea will be strong break above New York midnight open, which means like, okay, we're gonna get manipulation today, which was original plan, probably. And SPX breaks above 70.5%. We will try to scalp long. Not scalp, like we will long this. I expect to get nice like 30, maybe 40 points long. Still kind of fighting with New York midnight open. So we will take this easy. Even if we have SMT at lows, you know, seeing like how it leaving equal lows lower, once again, it's trying to build liquidity for tomorrow. I know, but once again, at the same time, feels kind of ridiculous. So much liquidity lower. But once again, we want to keep in mind FOMC tomorrow, so they definitely can manipulate this higher. So we'll try to long here. With target here and stop loss below OT. By the way, I do like risk. It's like 8-10 points. This will be my long. And only here. So even if we have SMT, once again, fine. I don't want to be first buyer. Seeing this kind of reaction from the gap. So just will wait. We'll trade second. I will call the second stage of market maker buy model lower time frame. Sorry guys, so many games now. I'm not like entirely sure where is gonna be exact entry on ES. Let me see. It's around here. Stop loss here. And final TP here. Like 2.3 R. It will be our long here. Trying to reject off 50% of previous 30-minute candle. The enters over here, right? So much liquidity lower, Daniel. So I don't know. Short also makes sense. Even with current SMT. I don't know, makes sense. See how it's trying to reject off New York midnight open, keep rejecting on this level. That's why, like, I don't want to, like, long right now. I'm fine to wait, I guess. For long opportunity here. Will be nice long. But not now. Here. Let's see. Maybe I will long in Q, by the way. Above 825. I think so. We're gonna long this on NQ. I don't see confirmation of longs yet. Still kind of like it. I do like how it is expecting 50% of previous 30-minute candle and New York midnight open. But at the same time, I will really like longs once we get break. It will be kind of textbook for me. We will just flip the buys above this level. Hitting 50%. Still trying to stay below New York midnight open. So many games. If, for example, I wasn't in this trade now, if it could displace right now below 50%, I would probably try this long as well. Not long, short as well. It's my key level. Like key level. Previous weekly low. Just cancel this. And Q dump trying to break low, current low again. And Q short will be nice short below 10 AM open probably on NQ for continuation. What a chop. They differ from C. Maybe chop is fine, you know? Like, no problem. Oh, guys. And Q still respects in New York, not New York midnight open. Why I keep saying New York? 10 AM open, see? Once you break this level, should be nice. Drop. We got break below 50% of previous 30-minute candle. Nice, nice confirmation to go lower. The question how far we can drop. Will we drop? That's the question. Kind of tricky. I'm not gonna argue about this. But I don't know. I want to trust it up here. I got confirmation. I mean, I'm gonna trust longs here as well. I'm gonna get confirmation. Just, it's too early for me personally to long. Even if you have SMT, guys, you know, like, guys, SMT is not like main confirmation of reversal. It can be like additional confirmation for us. But looking at current picture, like overall picture, this SMT doesn't make any sense yet. If this SMT can make sense, oh, I see it like this SMT can make sense if you're gonna get strong break above New York midnight open. So I will confirm SMT and I will try to long this. Just not yet, I guess. This chop is real. SPX really respecting 25% of RTH gap so well. Where is drop? Excuse me. Low resistance liquidity run. Just need to break current higher low. Need to break current higher low, which was formed at 10:08. And we're safe. Like, we are safe at this point. Not now, though. NQ needs to break 10 a.m. open, and we are safe. Not now, though. Millions games here. Come on, SPX. I know you can do this. Just try. Not that hard, please. Not that hard, please. Did they had like black and red or red and black? I don't remember. Like that. SPX really trying to break higher low. Still fighting though. I mean, I'm gonna hold. If I'm gonna be wrong, I'm gonna get lost. Accepting the risk, guys. Accept the risk and relax. Risk how much you're willing to, how much you can afford to lose, okay? You might be cooked today. High five, bro. I am on sell as well. Come on, SPX. Just try. Damn, try. I know you can do this. Come on, baby. Just a little bit. A little bit more to downside. 5 more points lower. So what I'm aiming for major low on SPX. These games are real. Chap is ugly. But I'm not risking a lot, so it's good. Damn, that's funny. But at least, guys, at least one good sign for us. Which one? Yes, NQ just broke the name open. Did not hit 600 though. 608 only. I'm gonna hold. So I will say I'm so sorry for loss in case it's gonna be loss. I will say this, but I don't know, like nothing tells me to long this shit yet. Even if we have SMT, I'm gonna ignore this. That's it. I'm pretty sure it must hit this previous weekly low level. Okay, if not previous weekly low level, it's gonna be major low here. What makes sense to me is this. If I'm wrong, like, perfect, whatever. Reason how they respected 50% of previous 30-minute candle and New York midnight open makes me feel like dumb. Drop it. Let's set alert on SPX because I don't want to jump between two charts. But I believe major low on SPX slightly higher than previous weekly low level on ES. I will let you know, guys. 9 points lower. It's like a 13 around so. 74.13. Let me put slightly higher. If I converted this right, that's 13. Move higher, guys. 74.13 is major low on SPX, which is at 73.81. That's my conversion if I did this right. Oh, not 14, 13. Sorry, guys. Range on NQ is bigger. So even with two markers, this will be like a lot bigger than ES. Yeah, definitely like NQ will be better option to short, but I have levels on SPX. A bit easier to convert targets. Price action just shit. Let's talk. Let's call like let's call like what name is this? Like real name for this is shit. But once again, who are we to give up? We're strong. We must stay. Oh god. Choppy, yes. But honestly, guys, honestly speaking right now, I believe if it wanted to drop, it already could drop. That's what I want to say. Proper shit. So usually, this kind of rejection offers straight moves up or down. So far, like looking at rejection from here, looks like good. But overall chop, since we got first rejection here, is absolutely ugly. Just drop, please. I believe Michael said he loves red and black, not black and red. Let's try to change the color. That's the biggest problem, FOMC tomorrow. So everything can happen. And the main question, can we get this drop today? Or is it gonna happen tomorrow? My stop loss still at the original place because we never moved from my entry yet to downside. Just still same place. New York midnight open is my stop loss placement. No reason to move. I mean, if you want to move at break even to avoid like something, move. I'm not gonna do this, so I just accepted risk. Oh, that's it. I cannot move to break even to stop loss to break even because we still have room to go lower. But since it's sharp, we definitely can just consolidate near my entry. I don't like it. Guys, this chop is just dumb. You said like last 5-minute candle was less bearish for your information, but it's not even bullish. That's the problem. Right now we're just inside consolidation. It can pump, it can go down. Right now it's like really 50-50. The setup from the very beginning was 50-50, but once again, I was more leaning to be bearish simply because structure still overall medium time frame is bearish. That's why I said I'm not gonna be first buyer. I will accept risk here. In case I'm wrong, I'm gonna get my loss, and I will look for long above 70.5% of current RTH gap on SPX. So we will try to long this. So it's not bad to flip the buys when you see invalidation. It's not bad to enter position after loss as long as your personal daily loss limit allowed to do this. It's fine. So far, even here, we got like bullish run, which immediately turned to be bearish again. It's just consolidation. Pre-FOMC chop. Damn it. NQ trying to break above 10 AM open with nice bullish candle. But once again, we're gonna see how deep displacement is gonna be. Nice closure on NQ, guys. Look at this closure on NQ. Look at this closure above 10 AM open on NQ. Definitely bullish closure here. But I mean, it was bullish before as well. I mean, nothing yet. NQ looks a bit more bullish compared to ES. ES doesn't look bullish, but doesn't look bearish as well. Just nothing. Guys, let's talk about something because I don't know. This is so annoying. But once again, how I see the picture, like overall, if it wanted to drop, it had to drop long time ago. Market makers, I mean, excuse me? What the heck? Why are you leaving these lows? Stop playing these games for FOMC. Just take them. You took major low on NQ. It also was what the heck. Do this on the yes then. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna close the eyes. Okay, alright. And you're gonna drop. I'm not watching, yeah. Just drop it. Check. So choppy on SPX. Let's check gold. Why gold dropping? Why gold dropping, but indices don't want to drop? Excuse me? Oh, God. For me, my turning point is New York midnight open. Even if it's gonna sweep this level, but will stay below 9:30 AM open, daily open, so basically sweep of New York midnight open without validation of longs, I will enter shorts again. I have only one desire right now, just cut this trade completely, but I promise to hold this. Just for the laugh of this game. Market makers, you are wasting our time. For Tuesday, like, it's kind of expensive. Don't waste our time. You want to get W and just enjoy our life. Please. No? Okay, I just asked. Well, I know if it's gonna be choppy, so just, I don't know, like, what to do. Yes, guys, definitely we have room to go higher for manipulation. So let's just imagine, like, scenario. ES decided to pump hard right now, but at the same time, SPX did not break above OT of current RTH gap. So we just bounce above New York midnight open, swept this level. Maybe we sweep 9 p.m. open and rejected hard below New York midnight open again. I will re-enter shorts. So as long as we respecting my level on SPX and ES, bearish levels, I'm gonna keep shorting. I mean, you know, guys, my key rule, how I stay disciplined, when I take 2 losses in a row, I'm done for the day. So I have personal daily loss limit, which is $450. On my TPT accounts, a bit more, simply because I'm doing so good there. So I decided to increase room for drawdown to $500. So yeah, if I'm down, let's just imagine $500 on the day. On TPT accounts, a bit less on my other accounts. I usually done for the day, just like done on the day. We always have tomorrow. It will go, I mean, yes, it must, but the question when? Do we need to bounce back to premium again? Do we need to sweep 9 a.m. open? Do we need to retest min threshold of the premium to B? Lots of questions. But once again, as said before, if it wanted to go down, it already dropped. Right now, maybe they want to manipulate. But once again, from the other side, expansion, consolidation. After consolidation, what we expect to get? Another expansion. So, but okay, let's wait. I'm willing to re-enter just in case I see confirmation. I'm okay to long as well, but once SPX will break above RTH gap, my long only possible here, not here, not here, not here, not above this buy side. I don't care about this. We don't have validation of longs. That's what I want to say. Dasha, stop laughing. It's not funny. What about NQ? So NQ took major low, which was 27,895. So major liquidity level taken on NQ, and definitely we can retrace back to the range, which makes sense. Also, we inside monthly fair value gap, but since we have big monthly fair value gap, we're trying to find something small within this monthly fair value gap. For example, we have 2 nice weekly fair value gaps within this monthly fair value gap. So level on on NQ gonna be around like next level 27,300, so it's like 300 points lower. If not, then psychological level 500, so we can drop 200 points lower as well. At this point, we must drop only yesterday to take previous weekly level and flat candle. Since NQ is weak, so it's gonna be not a big problem to drop 200 points on NQ. Just need to get some sort of displacement. First attempt was here. We broke below 10 AM open on NQ. That definitely was dumb. Such a good opportunity to short this. But they immediately brought this up again. Back up again. So, just playing games here, I guess. Nothing else. Guys, major problem here, like there is major problem, is FOMC tomorrow. They usually build liquidity for this. So can we be wrong today with bias? Yes, today. But yes, we can be wrong today. But tomorrow, this setup will be even better if it's gonna offer this opportunity again. Today, logically, makes sense to manipulate higher since it's trying to build liquidity for tomorrow. But since once again NQ took major low, what's the point not to take this level on yes? Like major liquidity taken. You did this on Tuesday. God, it just... I'm not gonna exit, guys. I just accepted risk. As long as it's below New York midnight open, this short opportunity is valid. Maybe not textbook, maybe not A+, but solid B+, you know? Just, sometimes accept the risk. You cannot be right 100% of the time. Sometimes you need to pay to the market your monthly bills. My stop loss is your TP. Okay. Good luck. I mean, I hope it's gonna take your TP. Okay. Guys, my stop loss at the place where my trade idea will be invalidated. You can sit and draw down, that's fine. You put in your stop loss, listen careful, at the place where your trade idea will be invalidated. Simply because you see red numbers doesn't mean you've won, okay? You've won once your stop loss is hit. That's it. Nothing else. Accept this dumb risk, okay? Try to don't pay attention on P&L, okay? You know how much you're willing to risk here, how much you can afford to lose on this trade. You already accepted this, okay? That's it. If you want to move to break even, something must happen. Like it must take key level, high time frame level. I know, like something. At this point, yes, I can protect my position. I can protect my accounts, moving to break even. Right now, nothing happened to move to break even. Just you still like in your trade, where your trade idea will be invalidated above New York midnight open. That's it. Dash, you short 74. I short in 50% of previous 30-minute candle. Yeah. Okay, stopped out here. Looking for another opportunity. Scam, not scam. Maybe we're gonna get re-entry. Let's wait. We're not in rush. Market makers, just asking. Can you stop this consolidation, please? Mm-hmm. I check SPX. Mm-hmm. Still valid short. Look how we expected reacted from 70.5% down. Looks good. Let's see, maybe I will re-enter. I like this one here. Maybe I will re-enter here, guys. This one. Looks good to me. I like it. Guys, let's try. So either here or here. Like 2 entry opportunities will be here. And below 50% here. Stop loss will be above min threshold of $3 million block over here. Yes. Looks good. Let's see. I like it. So trade ID will be pretty much the same. We're breaking below 50%. I'm shorting this. Come on. Check SPX. Nothing. Okay, time to connect as Apex accounts. Switching on my Apex accounts now. Just didn't work shorts. Fine. Sorry guys about this. I guess I'm just trying to be buried with my bias today. I like this reaction on SPX now. Sorry about this. For me, it was textbook. Sorry guys, looking for trading my evaluation and that's it. Right on my TPT account. Just cannot trust this. We'll trade Apex. We'll try to pass them here. I like long on SPX. For me, it was textbook. How we respected New York midnight open. Okay, let's see longs here on evals. For this long. Okay, I'm in longs on evaluations. Now on Apex evals. Trying to aim for buy side on SPX. Oh, I don't show you. Damn it, sorry guys. Trading evals, guys. I'm red on my funded TPT funded account. Just red. Did not trade my Lucid. Did not trade my TradingView, fortunately. Did not trade my funded Apex. Traded only... Trading only evals now. Did I put a stop loss at the right place? I don't know, probably. Very hard to put it. Yeah, at the right place. Here's validation of longs. I didn't see these longs. I mean, I wish I didn't take this short on funded before, but red, whatever. It really was textbook for me. Okay. I took 2 losses on funded. Of course, I'm disappointed with this. Because it wasn't funded, but okay. What time is this? Okay. Okay. No, losses happens. It's not about this. It's about like, why is this happened? What I missed? We respected mean threshold of 3-minute OB. Там textbook. We respected New York midnight open several times. What I missed? What was the point of not like why I didn't need to short here again? I don't know. This is why I'm disappointed. Just trade and fund it. That's annoying. Feel bad about it. Let's see. Well, whatever. Let's see if you're gonna take buy side on SPX. Well, like question then. When we have like expansion and consolidations that goes right after this, so do you expect to get a reversal after consolidation? Like, yeah. No. It's not about setup. It's about like what I did wrong, what I missed here. Not about like because we got SMT. Like SMT is not confirmation of reversal. What I missed at like specifically at this point here. What was missed? That's the main question. Over here. Like over here. What I missed that why I had so long here. Main question. See how we respected New York midnight open nicely? Like why? Why I had to like long this? So just gonna finish right on my fund. Sometimes this happens. Shit happens, unfortunately. But yeah. Shit happens. Dasha, shit happens. Flat candle. Oh, I was like, why my 5-minute chart looks so different? Okay, guys. Move on. This already happened. We cannot bring this back. I said I'm gonna re-enter if you're gonna respect New York midnight open again. Did we respect it? Yes. Did I re-enter? Yes. Chasing a val right now. Evals. That's it. Happy. Maybe happy. Happy I decided to trade only TPT accounts day before FOMC, so at least my Lucid accounts and TradingView accounts safe. But yeah, was completely wrong today. Like completely wrong today. I'm gonna delete this one now. If it's gonna drop, guys, that's it. Just I don't understand today's market then. If it's gonna be dropped to previous weekly low level, I will say, okay, F you, I'm done for the day. Like I'm gonna just be like red today and just it's fine, you know? I got cooked today. Just got cooked today. Yeah. I mean, yes, guys, loss is part of the game. I'm thinking about like what I missed. What was missed on that trade? But once again, my advice for you guys, don't try to recover the loss. Don't try to think about this. Because when you're trying to recover the loss, most of the time it's getting even worse. Right? Just shit happens. That's it. If it's gonna be like big drop now, I will say, nice, and I'm done for the day. Here's my SPX setup. See how it felt to take buy side, near buy side liquidity level? Guys, even if it's gonna be W, it doesn't matter for me because it's evaluation. Like, I don't care about profit on evaluation, you know? I long because of SPX. SPX keep making higher lows, basically keep making failure swings. So this trade for evals, because we need to pass evals. I promise to pass this evals on stream. If I'm not going to trade evals, they're going to disappear because it's only 30 days evaluations. So have to trade them. I'm red, like pretty big red on my TPT accounts. Once again, thanks God I didn't trade on TradingView and Lucid. Yeah, right. This one just for evaluation, just needs to trade this account. Guys, I mean, on funded, I'm done. I have like rule, once I take 2 losses in a row, I'm done. Even if like some accounts and I did not trade today, it's like fine. I'm done with funded today. I decided to give this opportunity for evaluation, and that's it. That's only evaluation I have. Just to see if SPX gonna move towards buy side today, like now. That's it. Unfunded, done. Just trade on the day. No. Guys, we will do giveaway. Yeah, okay. Dasha. I will not, I mean, it's my last trade on the day. If it's gonna drop hard now, amazing. If it's gonna pump hard, amazing. I mean, just still red. Guys, enter giveaway now. Yeah. Enter giveaway, and don't forget to click the like button. We need to hit 667 likes today, and we will do giveaway. It's gonna be Lucid accounts for giveaway. Look at this, damn Dasha, you're done with this price action today. Look at this displacement on NQ above 10 AM open. Cannot say that's my worst performance today, but at least I'm trying to manage my emotions today. That's fine. What? How to check this one? Okay, I see. Cancel. Cancel. Guys, enter giveaway, okay? Because I'm done with this market. That's it. I'm just super wrong today. SPX confirmed my idea to this break above 70.5%, failed to take buy side by like 1 point. Okay. Retracing down again. I guess it's just pre-from C price action. I will take this easy. Just will enjoy my day probably. I'm not gonna trade anymore. If it's gonna be loss, I'm just accept this loss and we'll walk away. Let's run giveaway. That's it. Sorry guys, not best performance, but I did my best. Sometimes it's gonna be like that. Just trying to show like real trading. Longs got cooked. Shorts got cooked. Everything got cooked today. By the way, did we hit likes? Almost, but yeah, let's do this because it's time. My son has test today. Okay, guys, sorry, one more time, sorry. I did my best, but it was horrible performance. Still in this longs on Epics. Okay, let's try and giveaway, guys. I'm still gonna hold this. Maybe we'll add to my position. And reduce stop loss if it's gonna break above this displacement above New York midnight open again. Okay. Thank you, guys. Love you. Love you. Okay, guys. First winner is, I cannot pronounce this name, but you. You won 50K Flex evaluation from Lucid. Yay, I see you. I see. Look who won! Amelia, are you here? I hope she's here. Are you here? Like, no way, you won Lucid Evals. Eval today. Just one. Will be funny if she's left, like. I hope she's here, but seems like she's not. Call her. No. She's probably not here. She left. Ask team to show my performance. That's first. For me, it's very important to show like performance. Amelia, sorry about that. Okay, we're gonna pick another. She will be disappointed probably. Okay. It's fine. I'm here to really guys show my performance. How I trade. I'm really trying to show consistent trading. I'm not here like for you to blow your account and buy evaluation again. I really want to show like good trading here. I took 2 losses in a row. Of course, I'm disappointed. I'm right on my funded today. Fortunately, only on Take Profit Trader. I see. Only on Take Profit Trader, but still took a loss. Because of this, of course, I'm disappointed. Guys, well, not this one. Leave. If you go on my website, funded.now, click lessons in library, you will see I posted new lesson about fair value gap. different types of fair value gap, breakaway gap, margin gap, different types of the test of this fair value gap. If you do not see this, highly recommend to read this again. Once again, go to funded.now, learn lessons library. By the way, today, for example, it was really hard to work with SPX simply because gap was filled immediately. So it was hard to work with. So maybe that's why we got chopped as well. Still holding my long on yes, nothing changed. That's it. Gonna hold this, looking at SPX left by side liquidity level, and Q really trying to offer reaction from ouch, monthly fair value gap. But once again, I'm not really sure. I need to probably go because my son has test today for kindergarten. Like it's like they're gonna check his knowledge. So I'm done for the day. I'm gonna hold this trade. It's Epic's evaluation. So nothing fancy, it's not funded, unfunded, I'm red. I'm gonna just lock accounts, which I'm disappointed, of course. So we'll try to come back stronger tomorrow. Tomorrow is from C. We will take this easy and probably light. Wish you guys good luck. Once again, I'm gonna hold this trade. I mean, no reason not to hold this, you know. We'll try to pass these dumb evaluations. And guys, I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Not going to 10 p.m. session today. Once again, highly recommend to read my lesson library. Tomorrow I'm gonna post a lesson about order block. I got cooked today. I was liquidity today. Tomorrow we're gonna kill this. So guys, I know what I'm gonna expect today from the market. Since SPX broke above 70.5%, I want to see it move towards buy-side liquidity level and 50% of entire move downs that we got yesterday. So I like this. So basically, I'm watching 74.30, 74.40 on SPX. And probably today. So it will be nice for manipulation higher before FOMC. Once again, gonna hold long. Let's see how it's gonna play. Wish you good luck, guys. Don't make stupid mistakes. Once again, I entered using SPX levels only. Will partial once SPX will hit buy side. Probably it's gonna be somewhere like 74.60 on ES. Around so. We will partial there. I mean, I will partial with you probably. So our partial gonna be over here. Because I need to go already. It's gonna be your partial. You got it. So it's gonna be my partial level once SPX will hit buy side. Final TP, it's not gonna be here final TP. It's gonna be like here. Just adjust. You can highlight two levels on your chart. It's gonna be 74.22 on SPX and 74.30 on SPX as well. So once we hit these levels, you can take a target profit here, okay? Guys, I will see you tomorrow. Gonna hold this trade. Will partial, final TP. So let's see how much I can lock on these evaluations. Hope I'm gonna lock a lot. Once again, guys, gonna repeat again. If you go on my website and find lesson library, we have SPX lesson and we have lesson about fair value gap. Tomorrow I'm gonna post lesson about order block. In 2 days I'm gonna post lesson about standard deviation projections. After standard deviation projections, I'm gonna post lesson about market maker model and then liquidity levels. So I will try to post lessons every single day. Yeah. Funded.now/lessons. It's your library. If you want to learn, you can leave notes there, by the way, if you want, guys. You can do whatever you like with this. change in the state of delivery creates a real order block. Once again, change in the state of delivery creates a real order block. That's important to understand. So change, why we call this change in the state of delivery? Because it's change in something. Like change in order flow, change in structure. That's why we call this change in the state of delivery. I refuse to understand when people use change, when people say change in the state of delivery is fair value. Get done what? It cannot be change in the state of delivery. So order block, nice confirmation of change in the state of delivery because it's basically your supply and demand areas. Don't do makeup. I never put makeup on my face. Never, ever. And I can apply like lipstick or something like that, but you never will see like makeup on my face. I don't know why. I don't like how it looks. I like baby face. So yeah, guys, I know. Once again, if you in this long with me, you must partial this buy side. Like no matter what, you will partial there, okay? And final TP, once again, it's not where I put my final TP. See, I put this over here. It's not here. It's gonna be, I don't know, like 12 points higher. It's gonna be around like 70. Because we trade in SPX levels now. That's your trade. Partial will be also not here. It's gonna be here. Sometimes it's really hard to convert, you know? Let's see if it's gonna take. It's gonna be here. Mm-hmm. Okay, you got it. I don't know how much time it will take, but it's my trade, guys. I will trade my stop loss after partial taken, and I will aim for 50% of entire move done from yesterday on SPX. Trade based on only SPX, nothing else. It's based on SPX only. That's it. You got the point. See you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. If you have any questions about lesson, about anything, feel free to send me a message. If you have any suggestions or ideas for new lesson, also send me a message because my plan is standard deviation projections, order blocks, liquidity levels, market maker model. What else? What else? How to build a strategy, liquidity sweeps, it will be part of liquidity lesson. Intraday bias, and so on. So if you have any ideas, guys, feel free to send me a message about this. See you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. We're not really kill this today, but at least maybe we will pass eval. Evals. Okay, I'm gonna chill to break even here. Second trade idea play out so well. Well. Yeah, my mood will get better. It just needs to distract a little bit from this. So guys, we'll send your giveaway accounts. Oh, you going with me? Okay, that's nice then. I will go with my husband. It's still too early. We have appointment 12:30. But it's too early. We have appointment 12:30. Gonna take 5 contracts off here. Sorry, guys. My husband is already annoyed. because I'm taking so much time here. So okay, let me finish. 5 more minutes, okay? Okay. Yes, I said. So fucking disappointed. Fuck. Ugh. No comments. Let me think about this super dumb shit. Guys, it was against my rules to enter long unfunded because I was down there. Ay. Fucking annoying. Sorry, guys. I just disappointed. At least my SPX model works. Thanks God for this. Not post yet. Close, at least close to this. Ah. Okay. Maybe I had to take this. No, I didn't. I didn't have to. Like, it's really whatever. How many micros left in this position? Oops, disappeared. Trade 1 micro off here. But, you know, we took 2 trades based on SPX. Okay, 3 trades based on SPX, which means I did right, probably. We will pass evals. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. We are $900 away from passing with 2 trades, without full porting, with normal risk. $900 away from passing evaluation. С 20 evals. Everything on stream. Okay, I had to take second trade. I had to. By the way, guys, you still here? My husband texted me, like when I took a loss in my first trade. You know what he said? Take another short. Let's blame him together. It's your damn fault. It's not me. You know, guys, he said, it's sell here. I said 100%. He said 110%. I'm gonna blame him. Hindsight expert. I told you. It's his fault. I'm gonna blame him. Okay, do I look good to go to school? I guess I don't need to change, right? I look like a student because I will go to kindergarten, like elementary school. Do I look good for this? Do I need to change classes? I don't think so, right? Look good. Break up. Yes, like what the heck? Excuse me? Excuse me? What the heck? It's your fault. Looks good, right? Hey. Hey! Why it opened up its position? Okay. Look good, right? Okay. Not gonna change. Well, guys, done. We almost passed this. Let's see balance. Let me see the balance. I always hide my balance. Yeah, good. $900 and we're gonna pass. Well, at least something, you know? At least something. SPX, break above 70.5%, long. Retest 70.5%, added to position. Continuation, textbook. Damn, fuck. You know, like short was also textbook. Well, guys, now I'm gonna enjoy my day. Still disappointed, still mad on me because I took stupid trades. Okay. It was bad for me because damn, I'm right on my funded. Well, love you guys. See you tomorrow. Performance like really could be better. But at least, guys, you know what we did good? Let me tell you now. You know why we did good? Simply because we trusted the plan. It's really hard to take 3 trades on stream, especially after 2 losses. But here, what I want to tell you, it's important to show you like no emotions, no reason to recover the loss. Just, okay, I'm right on my funded. I will take it. I will come back tomorrow. I don't want to recover the loss. Of course, we could recover the loss with this win, like perfect. But it's just, okay, Dasha, calm down. You're red. It's your personal daily loss limit. Enjoy your day. You see opportunity here because we planned this trade down. We planned this trade from the very beginning, which is annoying, right? So we planned this trade, and I really want to try to trade my plan because I trust the process, I trust the model. 2 times it failed today, but at the same time, I was trying to trade inside consolidation. Maybe it could be avoided, but once again, this already happened. No reason to talk about this. But once again, we always can re-enter. If you see like your model here, don't be shy to re-enter. Trust the process. Don't be scared of being wrong. You have models that you backtested many, many times. So we know, like we knew from the very beginning where we were going so long. We didn't want to be first buyers. We wanted to trade continuation. So shit happens, unfortunately. So no, it was probably like shit conditions to enter this trade. See, like of course we see this in hindsight now, right? But in real time, I mean, it wasn't bad, but overall, yes, we got chopped inside consolidation. But at the same time, we got an entire leg up, right? Yeah, see? I look like a man sometimes, see? It's like crazy, right? You got the point. So, guys, love you. See you tomorrow. I'm going to go to school now for test. What happens? Nothing. You just had to listen how I'm crying, okay? That's it. You must say like, Dasha, it's okay. You did good. We support you all the time. Shit happens. Yeah, like something. Guys, how I use gaps? Everything explained in this lesson. I have 3 lessons. Basically, it's gonna be free course. And I promise you're gonna learn more from my course than like when you pay like thousands of dollars for course. Guys, today we executed this lesson. everything free. One day, oh yeah, of course it will. Yeah, I mean, once again, yes, you said long is valid for you. It's nice, take your long. Don't blindly copy me. I trust setup IC. I can be wrong, and I'm going to pay for this. That's it. I could be wrong on this long as well. I could pay for this as well, okay? To W, why? It's like dumb red unfunded. I will add like one W, but it's still red. Guys, yeah. The most important part to show like you stick to your plan. You don't have like FOMO. You don't like lose your control when you like took a loss and lost. Oops. Sorry. When you take a loss and loss again, so you don't lose your control trying to recover this loss. Like perfect. As you can see, I completely disconnected my funded accounts and switch on evaluations. Quick lesson, have to go. My son has test today. Have to go, have to run. We have appointments so in school. We need to do test today. But guys, all lessons, if you want to learn something, go here. 2 lessons here. I'm gonna post order block lesson later today, like tonight. So use this link to study and ask questions if you have any questions in Discord, ideally, okay, in main group. Yeah. So guys, love you. See you tomorrow. I really need to run right now. I look good, right? So I need to change the clothes. We'll go like that. Meet it good. See you tomorrow. Good luck.